Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your upload default settings. Now, this will be helpful with saving time, especially if you have something, whether it be something in the description, your tags, or your titles, anything of that nature that you want to have in every single video that you upload. So this will show you how to do that. And not only will I show you how to do this on the PC, but you can do this from your phone as well. The only thing you have to do is put your phone in desktop mode. So if you don't know how to do that, then check out the video that should be popping up right about now. That'll show you how to put your phone in desktop mode. Now you can see that I'm already on Creator Studio. And from here, what I'm going to do is go into settings. And from settings, I'm going to go to upload defaults. And from here, you can see that I got my title, got description, I got the visibility, and I already got some tags down here. So these tags are already going to pop up for every single video that I upload. And I'm able to adjust these when I upload a video. I can take them out if I want, or I can add more to them if I want. So what I'm going to do is just add a description here, which I already have copied. I'm just going to paste it in. And you can see that I got quite a long one, which is I got my basically the top part is my description, then I got equipment that I use to make the video, then I got social media, then at the bottom I got some YouTube recommendations. So that's how I want to do it. And up at the top I can put something like make sure to leave a like. Let me go ahead and change that. Make sure to leave a like, right? And also subscribe to the channel. But anyway, I can go to advanced settings and change it from here if I want to. And then I can also do the same thing with monetization. And then when I'm ready, I can go ahead and click save. And from there, all I have to do is just upload videos. So what I can do is go to create, upload video, and I'm just going to pick something very random that I'm never even going to use. This isn't a real video that I'm putting up here. It's a clip of something. So you can see that my default settings are already up here. So you can see, make sure to leave a like. It's up there. I got my description, everything, and then I go down into more options, and you can see that I got my tags down here. So if I had anything else I wanted to be in here, as far as like monetization, anything like that, it would have showed up as well. So hopefully you found the information useful, and if it was useful to you, why don't you like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you can make sure that you get notified when new videos come out from me. I make new videos every week. Thanks for watching.